We are raising the mast on the Etchells using a Sabre 36 and a Catalina 22 and using their mast to pull the halyards to pull it up.
I got the mast. Y'all go at the same, y'all try to carry it at the same speed. Carrie, you going a little faster than she is. Yeah,
Well, I was trying to.
Peggy, you can go ahead and keep going.
Peggy's arms.
Keep going.
It's slipping on the winch over there.
You gotta hand me that line. All right, and you crank and I'll tail.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. You don't have to be in that big hurry. All right, keep going. All right, let me go in second gear if you need to.
You tailing the line, Frank?
Oh, you were in second gear.
I think it's pretty close there. What you think, Corey?
Need a few more feet. Let Calypso go a little bit. All right, hold off. Hold it there, baby. Frank, we're about ready. Hold it there, baby.
All right.
Go ahead. Take the Vaseline off. Bottom protected. Cody.
I like your rabbit ears. I like your technique.
Upper.
It's like you're in the army.
I think the Army's still looking for him.
Oh yeah? Hold your breath. We may have openings here shortly.
Yeah.
I tell you, I retired December 31st. Oh yeah. It was a good time to get out.
Well, Corey, I went to military school. They convinced me not to go in the Army.
Oh. Now, is there a collar that goes on here?
You have a two-piece collar or one-piece collar, Frank?
I've got some part nose, and that's about it. Let me get on down inside.
Okay.
Boy, this is some antique hardware over here.
Huh? Where?
On this boat, not yours.
Oh, yeah.
I've never seen things like this before.
Do you know how to release the clutch on that one?
But I said it's antique, man. I would be willing to say this is some early '60s, late '50s stuff.
You want to give your side?
All this needs to go in. Peggy, you're gonna probably have to. You're gonna have to fend for yourself over there now.
Tell me what to do, then.
Okay. What else? Anything else should drop
Just
down.
getting the bungees out of the way.
Okie dokie.
So what about your collar, Frank?
What collar?
The collar that keeps the water from running through the top of the deck.
I don't have a collar.
We can fabricate one. All right, we need to go up a little bit on your side. All right,
Just tell me when to crank.
When you take it off and ease it down, you just ease it really easy.
Okay. Now, real quick, just sort out what all needs to go below deck here.
Everything else will go down through there. Whatever. Everything should go down through there.
Okay, let down on your side just a hair.
I don't know what that one does right there.
Take the winch out and ease out.
If you're just going to ease it down kind of an inch at a time.
You gotta take it. Yeah.
Wait a minute, y'all. Is this? I can't.
The winch only takes it up, not down, Peggy. So the handle's not going to do you any good. You have to back it off a little bit and take some of the tension off to let it slide.
Come over to the port side and unravel it off the winch over here. Keep some tension on it though, just don't let it go completely. Keep some pressure on the line while you just take the end of the line that's coming off the winch, go counterclockwise.
Yep, just like that.
There you go. Now keep some tension on the. There you go. Now you're under control.
Okay.
Yep. Just let it out just an inch or two.
Okay.
Hank, you taking pictures of this monkey show? Good for you.
An inch or two more, please.
Okay, just keep saying.
All right, go ahead and hold it there. All right, a couple more inches, please. All right. Now you hold up on your side. 'Cause,
I am.
She's good. All right, a couple more inches. All right. Hold up on your side.
Got it.
Because she's, right now, you're way lower than she is. That's why it's leaned over this way. A couple more inches, please. All right. A couple more inches. All right.
Good job, Peggy.
Hold up there.
Yay.
All right, just hold up there on both. What do you got, Frank?
Frank, put your fingers under the
Okay.
mast.
Just a couple more inches, please. And then, all right, go ahead. Stop. A couple inches from your side. Hold it. Stop. All right. Stop. Okay, so to make that happen, carry you hold. Need
Port side,
need you
that
to go
means-
up just an inch.
Toward, like,
Just,
tight.
yep, tighten it just an inch. All right, stop. All right. Carrie, let yours down just an inch. Stop. How's that? Okay, Carrie, another inch, please.
Got it.
Stop. It's made below. All right. So you two just hold. Let's try to get this is an.
I'm gonna lock my archaic winch lock in place.
All right. I'm just trying to see. All right, this is an upper. The uppers go forward or aft?
Aft.
You on the plate, Frank?
I don't know what that thing does. It must go down below. That's part of the mast pulling system. That goes down below.
I thought the mast on this thing would have been taller, Frank. Of course, it might be from where I'm looking, where I'm standing. It looks.
Port upper's made but loose.
Peggy, you do good.
Thank you. This is exciting. I've never done all this
Yep.
before. I like it.
Without any lateral.
Those aren't bad, Frank. I like those.
Which one?
Starboard upper is made but loose.
Starboard upper made but loose.
All right.
Then forestay.
We get a forestay on and we'll be happy guys.
Alright, the forestay is gonna be the problemo.
He forgot to hook it up.
Well, he's got to get through a little small manhole. Peggy was gonna go do that, but I don't.
That means we'd have to have a small man, right, Frank?
Yeah,
Who's going to volunteer for that job?
we're gonna have to use the. We're gonna have to use the spinnaker halyard attached to something up there.
Well, that'll work temporarily.
We got a
Spinnaker
problem.
halyard and or talking lift.
How? We got a problem.
Uh-oh.
God, hard.
Do you have one of those really long gaff poles?
Yes, sir. Good deal.
Yeah.
All right. Is this the forestay?
That would be
Or is this
easier
the-
because I'm up here.
neither
I'm
one of
just,
them's a
just
forestay.
read the
Here's
room
the
and
forestay
we've been
right
using,
Is this
you
the
know,
baby
one
stay?
of the parts
Or is this?
just fix it. Not hard.
No,
Okay.
this
We're gonna have to use this.
It's the last.
This is
it's
the
the last
forestay right
Frank,
here.
driveway you
this
come
is the
through
only
on
thing in
Etchells
front
Road.
of
Right, it's a
That's
long,
the
narrow
top.
driveway.
That's the forestay.
The topping lift is the only thing in front of our tie.
We can get past it and you'll be, it's gonna fit in the road.
No, it may be long enough.
Now, me neither. I'm just standing in the water.
Only thing in front of it.
Okay, John, bye.
You see what I'm saying?